Part 2 VTrak J5960 Hardware Installation and Cabling. In this video, we will demonstrate cabling setup for the VTrak J5960 JBOD connected to a VTrak D5800 RAID head. VTrak J5960 is shipped with everything needed for rack mounting. Carefully unpack the shipping package. The shipping package includes 2 power cords, each 2 meters in length, 2 mini SAS SF8644 cables, also 2 meters long, a quick start guide, the sliding rail system hardware and fasteners used for rack mounting, the cable management arm or CMA, and hard drives. For this demo, we've already installed the inner rails on both sides of the VTrak J5960 enclosure, as well as installing the outer rails on the equipment rack. Please note that at least 2 people are needed to safely mount the VTrak J5960 without the hard drives installed. Make sure you install the enclosure in an equipment rack before populating it with hard drives, as the fully populated enclosure is too heavy to safely lift into the rack. For this demo, we've also installed the VTrak D5800 into the rack so both systems are ready for cabling. Once the system is firmly installed in the rack, we insert the hard disk drives one at a time. We will use the cable management arm or CMA, which is already installed. The CMA attaches to the rail system at the back of the device. The CMA swings out of the way to provide access to the back of the VTrak J5960. Plug the power cables into the power supplies. Plug in the 12 gigabit SAS expansion cables and use the CMA to organize the cables. The main interconnectors are RJ11 to RS232 serial connector, 12 gigabit upstream or downstream SAS ports, gigabit management port, and the power connector. In the front of the machine, there are LED indicators for the following: power, global enclosure status, I/O module activity, system status, and heartbeat. LEDs at the back of the machine are SF8644 SAS port, link status, PSU status, fan status. Using the sliding rails, we can slide the enclosure out in order to access the interior. Remove the top cover to expose the hard drive status LEDs, disk status, and power activity. The VTrak J5960 system is designed with redundant components which are replaceable in the field. These are known as field replacement units or FRU. The FRU can be swapped out with no system downtime. The VTrak J5960 FRU includes power supply module, I/O module, fan, and hard drives. Now we can power on VTrak D5800 and VTrak J5960 in the proper order. Always power on the VTrak J5960 systems first before powering on the RAID head. Here we are using the VTrak D5800. Once the VTrak J5960 system is powered on, we can use the power button on the front of the VTrak D5800 to power that on. Allow 4 or 5 minutes for both units to boot up. Notice there are LED indicators on the front of both systems providing a summary of the current status. When you see the VTrak J5960 I/O module heartbeat LED blinking blue, the unit is ready to manage via the VTrak D5800 web management interface. If you prefer, you can also pull the VTrak J5960 enclosure out to check the status LEDs of the hard drives. The VTrak J5960 system hardware installation and cabling is now complete. In the next video we will cover initial system setup.